Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to Blendfest, another episode from this series. Today I'm going to show you how to make wavy textures and ocean simulation in Blender. So yeah, let's just quickly jump into it. So first of all, open up a new Blender file, of course, and then press Shift A and add a plane. And just don't touch it, don't do anything to it. Click on it, select it, go here to Modifiers tab and just search for Ocean Modifier and hit enter. And as you can see, from default we already have some wavy texture on our plane, but it's not exactly what you like to see. So you can come here into the Ocean Modifier properties, and you can see that we have a bunch of settings, and you can tweak them in order to make your ocean look greater. So we have resolution for viewport and render. So if you increase these two, you're going to see that we have more quality on our ocean. But you can also come here to waves and make sure to increase the scale or decrease it. You also have the smallest wave amount, choppiness. This is wind velocity for simulations. And you can also change the time, as you can see. And basically, if you are in the timeline, you can press here and press here I, and then go to the last frame and just, I don't know, change this. Then press I again. You have keyframes for animation, and this is how you're making a simple simulation animation with Ocean. Now, to make furthermore, I don't know, customization on your Ocean, you can simply select it, and by using BlenderKit add-on, I'm going to show you how to add ocean, let's say water, or maybe pool water. There's a particular texture that I like to use, this one, drag and drop. And if you're going into the material preview, you're going to see that you have a perfect ocean plane with water texture applied on, which is going to be visible later in the render view. So yeah, this is pretty much for today's video. I hope you learned something and you enjoyed the straightforward tutorial. I was Adrian, and if you'd like to see something in the next video, just comment below and I will do it. Yeah, so follow for more and subscribe.